going around the outside. If we create a art brush and try and do it here, it's going to go all the way around the outside. If I then use the cut tool to try and cut it up, you can see how the line moved when I did that. Because this is a cut line, it's no longer a closed shape, meaning stroke is no longer on the external of this line. And we need it to be like that with the window so that it matches the other one. So what we need to do Control Z on that, we need to sort of trick this a little bit by giving it some extra space so it lines up with the stroke on our wall layer. So what I'm going to do is use the M tool, create a shape. I'm going to have the width of that shape 20 again, and the height of it, I want it to be 3 millimeters to match our external wall. Using the V tool, and I'm just going to line it up. It might be a bit hard because I can't see the shape when I move it. I want to line it up with the outside of this shape here. To be good enough. So I'm going to click them together, right click and group that together. Then you should have brushes here on the side. If you do not have brushes, then just go to Window and look up brushes, open them up. I'm going to grab this, click and drag and pop it in there. I want to make an art brush, press OK. I want it going along in this direction, and we can see that this line, this blue one, is not in the middle of this shape, but it's off to one side. So we know now that this line is going to be off to one side. You can rename it what you want. I might just call it window. Press OK. So now we have this art brush here. So I can use the C tool to cut in a couple of places where those windows are. Sunshine. And A for the direct selection tool. I'm going to select that one and put a window here. See how it's thrown it right off to the left over this line? It's not lining up with this area anymore, but that's okay because once we put our external wall back up, we'll see it's going to be in the correct place. Okay, once I've changed all those different windows, I'm going to delete these walls now because I don't need them. So just select them with the direct selection tool and press delete. You might need to do it more than once. So I'm just pressing it twice to delete those extra lines we don't need. Oops, did the wrong thing, so Command Z to undo. Twice. And then I can go back to my layers and bring up those external walls. So I've got those windows lined up. If they're absolutely not perfectly lined up, this might be the case. You can go back and change the art brush and maybe just move this one the tiniest bit closer if you're able to. It helps if you're zoomed in a bit more, you might be able to get it that tiny bit closer. Just make sure you're using the V tool. Make sure you're using the V tool. We need to ungroup them because it'll move everything together. And just move that top shape just a tiny bit closer. Like that. Group them again. Move them back into the art brushes. Window 2, we can see this one lines up more closely to that one. And lock that layer once we're done and everything's in the right place. Hope that helps.